What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I've done a vlog video, so I want to get this out today. So, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Vlog video, I should say. Oh, excuse me, by the way. I had something to eat, so that's why I'm burping right in the moment. Okay, anyway. So, today, it is a day before Christmas Eve, and 2 days before Christmas.
Very close to Christmas.
Very, very close to Christmas right now. And, I was trying to get my stream going. This little guy here did not want to reconnect to the freaking A-Power mirror. Didn't see, hope y'all didn't see that. Blech, can't talk today, so there's you for that. But anyway, so I was going to show you guys the weather and how bad it is outside today. Yesterday I watched the news. The stimulus passed. Then now we have President Trump not wanting to sign the paper for $600 and wants to increase it to $2,000. Some other shit I don't fucking know. And also, I bought the piece for this. It's in my Walmart app. I have purchased it and I'm waiting on it to ship and get it over here. But we have a problem for shipping over here. This is what we're having a problem with. Alright, guys, so we were supposed to expect some snow. Did not expect it to be like this. So look here. This is how bad the snow is getting over here. It is over a foot of snow over here. And it is really terrible. I'll show you guys out back. Alright, here we go, guys. Get ready? 1, 2. Look at this. Look how bad it is, guys. And look at the doors frozen. The whole door is frozen. And just snowing terribly. But we are in a blizzard warning. For parts of Nebraska. Let me pull it out here. Out of my back pocket. Let me go in here real quickly where it's warm. So give me 1 sec, guys. Alright, so I got it in my pocket now. So what's happening here? If I get to the weather here. So we have, I'm going to go to the other camera. Alright, so this is what's happening. We are in a blizzard warning. And we're in the snow until tonight at 9. So, and it's going to be 19 degrees. Tonight's low is going to be 7 degrees. And we've got another chance of snow Wednesday and Tuesday. And the National Weather System has issued a blizzard warning for Nebraska. And we are in it until 9 o'clock tonight. Last night it started snowing around midnight. And it began with snow, really, to begin with. I didn't expect for it to get this bad, but it's this bad. Like, it's terrible. I can show you guys out front. Let me show you guys out front. Look at this, guys. It's all over the windows. All over. And watch this. This is how tall it is on the steps. And this is how tall the snow is getting. It's terrible, guys. It really is. It's not very good. The visibility is about 10%. The visibility out here is about 10% for people driving and walking and riding bicycle. So there is a high chance that people are going to be getting hit out here with the snow. Let me push this back. There's a high chance where people are going to get hit today due to the snow. And there are some places that are canceling places like appointments and yada yada yada. Then we had an appointment for her, but they just called and went ahead and canceled it because this weather and the blizzard warning and just about everything we could think of why it was canceled. So this here, guys, snow is terrible. And you guys can see the snow just packing up right there. Like, it is bad. I have not been in snow this bad in a while. Not since 2007 when we had that first winter storm. But we're going to have a white Christmas this year. So, a white bad Christmas. To put it that way. So it's not, because the snow's going to be bad. But it'll start melting off. Once it starts melting off all over here, that's when it'll move off and then go to some other state. And if that's going to head to New York, and New York's going to get the big hit on Christmas, or tomorrow, sometime tomorrow. I really don't know, but all I know is, guys, that this snow is bad. It's not really that good today. It's really, really, really terrible. I've never seen snow this bad in, let's see how many years from 2007. So minus 7. About 14 years? No, I think it's 14, if I believe. See, 2019, 2018, 2017. 13 years, actually. 13 years. That would be 13 years since I've seen snow this bad. Because if you minus 3 and then add this 2017 minus the 10 on the 2017, that's 13. That's why I got it that way. But I've not seen snow this bad in 13 years. 13 years it has been good wherever I've been. It's not been this terrible. It's not been this bad. It's been really good with less snow. I've been not wanting to worry about the snow. So I'm not... Relax for a minute. So it is like down in 19 degrees outside. 16, 19, something like that. Because right now we are in the teens. It's cold as fuck. We ain't able to see shit. Visibility is terrible. Blowing shit. Look at that. Look at that table down there. Let me go to this side. Look at that table over there. Probably you guys can't really see it. There you guys can see it now. Right there. Is right there, boys. Look at that table. Blown over. And it's still gone. That's how bad the snow is this year. Next year when it comes in, 2021, this boy turns motherfucking 21. She turns 20 back here. Next month. So, yeah. Snow's terrible. It ain't really that good today. And I had to go out and get some pop and stuff, whatever, so I'll show you guys what I got. Alright guys, so this is what I got from the store. I got this here. Ice cream's all in here, I believe. Yes. This box here of ice cream. 40 pack. And then I got 24 pack pop. I went and bought another bag of pizza rolls. Got another bag of these. And I got some, my favorite motherfucking s'mores Pop-Tarts. If you guys never ate this shit, you got to eat this shit. This shit is good. It really is really fucking good. So with this snow being this bad, guys, I don't think there is no way I'm going to be able to get out for a while after I got stuff until this is all over with. Excuse me, by the way. So, yeah, that's our point to terrible snow, terrible day. Basically, terrible everything. So, you guys can see that the wind's blowing really, really hard. See if you guys see the clear in this window. I'm gonna pull it back just a bit. You guys can see snow just blowing. It's like a blizzard warning. But if it was a really, really bad blizzard, the blizzard would be blowing all day. Which means blowing at least fucking about 20 hours, say, or more. Something like that. But anyways, guys, that's that. And also, guys, since I am on the vlog with you guys, we do have merch live, fully live. Go in the description. We have got phone cases. We have got backpacks. We have got face masks. Face masks are only for a limited time only. When they are gone, there is no more face masks. 2 versions of it. Both of them are limited time only. And they will not be there anymore. So if you guys are willing to buy some face masks, do it while you can. I got them set on 3,000. Unless you guys let me sit on it for a certain amount of week. So I'm going to probably change it to about a certain amount of week. Certain day. And yeah, so those masks, 2 masks, neck mask, face mask, are only going to be on there for a limited time only. So once they are gone, they are never coming back. They will not be back for a while. And so once they're gone, they're completely gone. Alright, there's no more. So yeah, that's that. And got a mouse pad live. Bunch of other shit live. So go down in the description, check my merch. Everything's live. I had to take off a jacket, a backpack, because it was not showing the picture on the backpack, and some other things that wasn't showing the picture of my logo. So, anyways, guys, I'm going to get out of here, guys. That's the vlog for today. A terrible snow vlog. So, yeah. There's no way in hell I'm going outside today. So, anyways, guys, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, TikTok, and Snapchat. Go subscribe to my second YouTube channel, my fiance YouTube channel. If you guys want to buy some merch, merch is fully live in the description. Still working on getting everything else live. And all the phone cases, every single Samsung phone case, every single iPhone case. The new ones, anyways. So, those are the only ones I can get available. Just about anything else. If you guys want to donate, PayPal's in the description. By the way, we are 13 subscribers away. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's hit 400 before this year is over. We are almost there. And we're almost there to being over the year. Once it goes to 390, we are 10 away. Just 10 people away. And that is it. It's over. We've hit it. So, anyways, guys, I will see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Everything on the description. See you guys later.